Hi there, my name is Dave Shane and I'm the vineyard manager for Silver Oak and Twomey Cellars on the Napa County side. And earlier this morning we picked some Sauvignon Blanc out of the vineyard here in Oakville. We're standing in front of the Silver Oak winery, and the Sauvignon Blanc here was planted a couple of years ago, and this was exciting because it was the first harvest and the first time that we've had to analyze these grapes and see what kind of wine they'll produce. So hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.